Everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Welcome to today's video. We are in Charleston, South Carolina, and we are featuring a window box tour. So look at these gorgeous boxes. You will see these everywhere downtown. So much color and texture, but it's spring and it's a great time for us to get some ideas, start thinking about what we want to do for curb appeal. But I'm especially happy because Hannah is joining me today, and those of you following along with us at home, we want to thank you, and I want to introduce you to the woman behind the scenes of our YouTube channel. So Hannah does our editing, our promos, and lots of stuff for the channel, but she's also studying for her master's in historic architecture. So there's lots of professional gardening going on down here, but I do believe that we can achieve some of these window boxes at our very own homes. So have a look, enjoy, grab your cup of coffee, cup of tea, or glass of wine, and enjoy the tour with us. This is perhaps the slowest tour of Charleston ever because I have to keep stopping and really looking at things. But look at this gorgeous window box and how it really complements the style and the colors of this home. The selection of the box itself is really perfect, and I love the combination. So just to share with you, what we're looking at here is of course pansies. It's spring, and they are paired with a few other things that I'm really surprised about. So some beautiful vinca vine, we have some ferns, we have some gorgeous coral bells or heuchera, which really adds a nice pop of color, some euphorbia, some kale, some lavender. So all perfect companions, and they can all appreciate this dappled shade we have here too. we're wrapping up our tour. It's been a fabulous weekend here in Charleston. And thank you, Hannah, for being a guide for the tour.
Of course.
But we wanted to wrap it up here by this window box because would you ever think to combine Swiss chard with cyclamen? So, and there's some lamium here that is the spiller. Remember, the spiller, thriller, filler combination is the rule of thumb that we like to use, but just fabulous texture and color, and you can achieve that with not only your flowers but your foliage. So thanks for joining us, and if you like the video, please go ahead and tap like and hit subscribe to our channel for some future gardening fun. What a beautiful tour of Charleston, and I have to say there was so much to see that there is a part 2 coming because there were just so many things that I also want you to see. So stay tuned for part 2 and you're going to see some more beautiful flowers, gardens, containers, and some beautiful homes as well.